It's Rich down the river with Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. What we're going to do for you today is a collaboration with a YouTube channel called Everyday Barbecue. Go check Michael out. He's a nice guy. He's got everything in the world going on over there, up there in Illinois, I believe it is. So we got together and we said, Super Bowl's coming. So what would one cook for the Super Bowl? So we were tossing around a couple ideas, and we were like, come on, let's just do a collaboration for the Super Bowl for our appetizer. So that's what it's going to be. A collaboration doing a Super Bowl appetizer for your Super Bowl Sunday. So what we're going to do here, I don't know what he's done yet, but I know it's going to be good. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take and we're going to do barbecue wrapped meatballs. And I'll tell you what, we're going to get going. So let's get this kicked off. They've got these meatballs out in the oven. They smell great, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
They smell phenomenal. We're gonna go ahead. We got them on our cutting board. They should be rested enough for a taste test. We'll go ahead and get in here and get it done because the family wants to eat. So do I. So let's get in here. The bacon's nice and cuttable. Look at that. That looks great. Get in here. Wow. That's fantastic, folks. Give us a try. I'll leave all these in the description box. Super easy for your Super Bowl appetizer and for Super Bowl Sunday. Check out Michael at Everyday Barbecue. Hell of a nice guy. He's got a lot going on. So check his video out. Check his channel out. And, man, these are good. So we're going to get going. We're going to get this, get it ate up, get it served out. If you like this, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that little bell, let you know when I upload. All my social links and all my social links will be in the description box, along with my affiliate links and my PayPal account for donations if you feel fit. Again, share with your friends and family, and when you do, tell them the best barbecue comes from the river. We'll see you on the next one.